Hello everyone, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do these custom PPG inspired press-on nails using the Rosalind gel polish set. This has 20 colors inside and 4 nail coats. I love this brand because the colors are very pretty, it's affordable, and also it stays on for a very long time. And here are some quick swatches of all the colors inside. Also, all the links of the products that I'll be using today are in my description box down below so that it's easier for you to shop. Aside from the gel polish, of course, you're gonna need a few more things such as almond nail tips, a nail tips glue, a nail stand, and this is very useful especially if you're doing custom press-ons and if you're designing for your dominant hand, a nail file, a nail clip, and a nail buffer, a nail cutter, some nail brushes, and I highly suggest these tips for more intricate designs like swirls and such, a nail lamp. Yes, this is a cat paw nail lamp, it's so cute, and also it automatically lights up or starts when you put your hand inside, and lastly, some nail gems. The first thing you need to do is to cut your nails short so that it won't show through the nail tips. And then shape your nails just so it looks clean. After that, buff your nails until it looks matte so that the glue will stick. Then find the nail tips that fit your nail size best. After that, you have to shape the nail tips to fit your nails perfectly because otherwise it's not gonna stay as long as it should. To prep your nails and get it ready for the glue, use this primer. In gluing your nail tips, make sure that you don't put a lot of glue and make it as thin as possible, because if you put a lot, the tendency is that it would be really hard to take off and there's gonna be a lot of excess on the sides of your nails. But if ever that happens, what you can do is you can cure it for like 5 seconds and then take off the excess glue and then cure it back in for another 60 seconds. And here I'm just showing you guys again how I did it so that it's clearer for you. Also, you need to press on your nails while curing it just to make sure that it won't come off easily, and cure it for 60 seconds. Now you can shape your nails however you like using, of course, the nail file, and you can also make this shorter, but I'm already happy with this length, so my sister's just filing it for me. And then buff again until it looks matte so that the color or the gel polish will stick. And here I'm just putting on the base coat. Then cure it for 30 seconds. For my base color, I chose this light pink one because it's so cute and it looks really natural and it's just perfect for the design I want. Do 2 coats of this and then cure it for 30 seconds. I mean 60 seconds. These are the 3 colors that I'm gonna use for the design. This is white, Barbie pink, and this one's carnation pink. And we have this candle holder that we use as a palette so that it's easier to paint. My sister is doing this for me since she's the real nail artist, and she actually just opened up a nail studio called Ella's Nail Studio. I'm going to link it down below if you guys are interested. She can do anything, so you can just send her any design and she will get back to you on that. Anyway, I'm just showing you guys how she did all the design, and yeah, so I'm just gonna fast forward and let you see a quick look on this. You can definitely make mistakes while doing this because if it's not cured yet, then it's gonna be really easy to take off. And every time you finish a design and you have to like paint over it or paint beside it, then you have to cure it first so that the colors don't mix. This is actually already pretty, but I want it to be a bit extra, so I'm putting on a gem. But just one, I don't want a lot of it. And now to finish it all off, put on your top coat. Just do one coat of this and we're all done. And this is the final look. I really love this. It's so pretty. And I hope that you love this as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!